traditionally have used spreadsheets for our data entry, so most of our work is timesheet based, so our guys work by the hour, on the hour, and our biggest issue was as we were growing we needed to automate that process to make it faster, because it was taking me a couple of days a week basically to process the data. It was a real surprise to me that there were companies out there that can write programs specific to your business.
But Dan came to us, really spoke through his problems of the issues he was having, the amount of time it was taking, how long it took to bring all the data together for it to be meaningful to him as a business and for him to review it as a director of a business. So initially, again, we really reviewed exactly what they were currently doing day to day or month to month, depending on what part of the process they were in. We went away and designed a system that we thought would work, integrate easily into currently what they do, and really benefit the business going forward and enable it to grow easily, and this system to be part of that.
I think some of the key differences is that the information's updated live, so if someone needs to know where we're at with a job budget, or someone wants a quote for an element of work that we've already undertaken, the information's there at the click of a button. It's also enabled me to do things like supplying customers with timesheets to back up information that they want, because I can just pull off timesheets that are specific or relevant to individual jobs, and it's meant that my time can be better placed on the commercial side of the business, looking at developing into different markets and spending more time on the marketing of the business, and making sure that, you know, rather than spending time inputting data, I'm actually spending time doing the things that are you know, more efficient, more effective for the business itself. So in order to integrate the system into the business, Matt had agreed that we'd actually trial the system for 2 to 3 months. We actually found that we, over a period of probably 2 to 3 weeks, we realised that it was capturing the data that we needed it to capture, and we were happy to run with that. One of the key things for us is that the system's hosted by Bluehub, so it was explained to us quite early doors that if the data is inputted into there, it can't go anywhere.
With TDS, we offered support on a 12-month rolling basis. Obviously, for the first couple of runs of key areas of a business process, we stick very closely to them. They have direct line calls to the people who've developed the system.
We got what we hoped for and more, really. I mean, I don't honestly know what I'd be doing as it stands if we hadn't gone down that route. It's one of those kind of little bit of luck, little bit of judgment type decisions, really. Now we've got the process in place, what was previously taking me about a day and a half a week, sometimes 2 days, which would usually be evenings, weekends, and because I couldn't get time to do it during the day, just yesterday took me half an hour from start to finish. So it's completely transformed what I do and how my working week goes. I've already recommended Bluehub to numerous businesses. Don't know what we'd be doing without it now, really.